Is your Bush TV refusing to power on? This problem often stems from three key areas: power supply issues, remote control malfunctions, or display output failures. Recent issues are linked to global supply chain problems and firmware bugs. We'll guide you through diagnosing the root cause and provide quick fixes. Remember to check your warranty before attempting any repairs. The simplest solution is often the most effective. Power cycling involves unplugging your Bush TV from the wall outlet for a full 60 seconds. This allows the capacitors to discharge, resetting the TV's internal circuits. After 60 seconds, plug the TV back in and try turning it on. This resolves many minor glitches. If power cycling doesn't work, examine your remote. First, ensure the batteries are fresh and properly inserted. Second, check for any obstructions between the remote and the TV's infrared sensor. Third, try repairing the remote with the TV via the settings menu if possible. A faulty or unpaired remote is a common culprit. Remember, a faulty remote is often the issue. Verify that the power outlet your TV is plugged into is working correctly. Test the outlet with another device. If using a power adapter, inspect it for any damage or loose connections. A faulty power outlet or adapter can prevent your TV from receiving the necessary power to turn on. If your Bush TV powers on but displays no picture, start by cycling through the HDMI inputs using your remote control to ensure the correct source is selected. Next, check the HDMI cables for any visible damage and make sure they are securely plugged into both the TV and the source device. Finally, try connecting with a different HDMI cable. Faulty HDMI connections can prevent the display from working properly. Outdated firmware can cause startup issues. Check Bush's website or app for available updates for your specific TV model. Some models allow updates via USB. Keeping your TV's software current can resolve bugs and improve performance. Bush rolled out firmware updates in late 2024 and early 2025, which addressed some startup bugs. As a last resort for fixing a Bush TV that won't turn on, try a factory reset. This restores the TV to its original settings and erases any personal data, so back up important information first. The exact process varies by model, so always consult your TV's manual or the Bush website for specific instructions. Keep in mind that a factory reset may not resolve hardware problems. If none of the troubleshooting steps we've covered work, it's time to contact Bush customer support or seek help from a qualified TV repair technician. Avoid attempting to disassemble the TV yourself, as this can void your warranty and potentially cause further damage. Looking ahead, the future of TV technology includes AI-enhanced models with predictive maintenance features. These smart TVs will alert users to potential issues through smartphone notifications, helping prevent problems before they occur. Proactive maintenance practices such as annual dust cleaning and sustainable designs using eco-friendly materials are also becoming more common.